Let me show you how to turn Instagram story comments on or off. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. You can adjust comment settings for each individual story when you create it, but you can also set this for all your stories at once. To do that, tap your profile icon in the bottom right. Then tap the three lines at the top right to open your settings. Scroll down until you see comments, tap it, and then choose stories. Here is you will be able to decide who can comment on your stories. Everyone, people you follow, or you can turn off comments entirely. You can also tap block comments from and select specific people you don't want commenting on your story. That's all there is to it.